Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can export a video with 4K quality or 4K resolution on InShot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first of all, I'm going to open the draft I have created on my InShot. This is my draft, and if you want to export a video with 4K quality or 4K resolution, this step is very simple. We just need to click on the save button, and on this resolution you have to select the 4K resolution or 4K quality. Okay, now the 4K quality has been applied to this video, and we're going to export it to our device. Okay, now the video is being exported and you have to wait until 100%. Alright guys, and that's how we can export a video with 4K quality or a 4K resolution on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.